Welcome to Next Gen Mansions, where the world's most iconic luxury homes come alive in vivid detail. Every corner, every corridor, every carefully carved stone tells a story of greatness, ambition, and timeless elegance. Today, we step into a mansion that has become more than just a home. It's a living legend. This is a place that embodies music history, Southern charm, and American grandeur, all under one roof. Prepare yourself for a journey through walls that have heard unforgettable melodies, past halls that echo with fame, and into spaces designed not just for living, but for leaving a mark on history. NNSET in the heart of Memphis, this estate rises proudly with a presence that feels both welcoming and commanding. Before you even step inside, the property surrounds you with rolling lawns, towering trees, and perfectly aligned pathways that lead to an entrance designed to impress. The afternoon sun washes over white pillars and classic brickwork, highlighting every detail without a single shadow left behind. This isn't an ordinary residence. This is an estate built to showcase success and personal vision. NNTHE value of this extraordinary property exceeds $100 million, placing it among the most renowned private residences in the world. It's not simply about its price tag. It's about what that price represents: history, artistry, and cultural impact captured in a single address. Ranked as one of the most famous homes across the globe, this mansion has become a destination for millions who dream of stepping into the life once lived here. Now walking through the grand entrance, you're welcomed by interiors designed with Southern neoclassical refinement. Polished marble floors reflect perfect daylight, intricate molding glistens with hand-painted gold leaf, and arched corridors guide you seamlessly from one luxurious space to the next. The great rooms feel endless, yet intimate, filled with elegant furnishings, rich textures, and iconic details that have been preserved with reverence. Every inch of this mansion feels alive, as though it knows the stories it holds, and it shines under the afternoon light with no darkness, no harsh shadows, just pure brilliance across every polished surface. NNTHE main living areas carry a warm yet commanding presence. Soft cream and gold tones create a radiant glow as sunlight pours through tall windows. Every element is purposeful, from the crystal chandeliers scattering light across the ceiling to the marble hearths that anchor the spaces in timeless luxury. The rooms are designed to draw you in, to slow you down, to make you appreciate not just the music created within these walls, but the lifestyle they represent. Moving deeper inside, the private suites reveal a side of the mansion few ever experience. Personal, elegant, yet still monumental in scale. The bedrooms are lavish without being overwhelming, dressed with carved furnishings, hand-stitched linens, and quiet corners that invite reflection. Each space flows effortlessly into dressing rooms, spa-quality washrooms, and corridors that connect to entertainment lounges and dining halls. The seamless design of the house reflects the Southern colonial style interpreted through neoclassical artistry, merging comfort with royal grandeur. This isn't just designed for living, it's designed for legacy. Beyond the interiors, the estate grounds stretch wide and commanding, with sweeping lawns and carefully sculpted gardens. Every path leads to another story, another view, another perspective on what it means to live in true luxury. The estate remains one of the world's most visited and most valuable private residences, securing its rank not only for its price, but for its enduring cultural significance. NNTHE price alone, valued at over $100 million, places it in the upper tier of global residential properties. Yet its worth goes far beyond numbers. This mansion is a symbol, a monument to ambition and artistry, a reflection of what happens when vision and craftsmanship meet at the highest level. The design style combines stately columns, classic symmetry, and fine interior detailing that catches daylight in flawless harmony. It's not only beautiful in photographs, it's breathtaking in person, glowing under the sun with even illumination across every polished surface.
Stepping onto the balcony, you're greeted by views of pristine lawns and the warm glow of afternoon light. The pool terrace shines like glass, its water reflecting perfect skies, while nearby seating areas provide spaces for gathering and quiet movements alike. Inside the dining hall is set with precision of a royal banquet, marble tables gleaming, crystal glasses catching every ray of sunlight, gold accent glowing from every curved edge. The kitchen is vast, and equipped like a culinary palace, blending modern function with classical beauty. Whether you look at the entertainment lounge with its plush seating and ultra thin screens, or the more intimate coffee rooms where quiet conversation would have taken place, this estate feels complete, alive, and endlessly radiant. This is more than a home. It's a masterpiece of design and history, a place where music, fame, and architecture merged to create one of the world's great residential landmarks. As you walk, its halls in your mind. Remember that this is not just a tour, it's a glimpse into what it means to live the legacy, to live with purpose, and to live surrounded by timeless beauty. And the kitchen a lot of beautiful, the whole color white, and a lot of beauty things. Their designs looks like stunning, and chairs also, and the table of kitchen completely filled with fruits. The bedroom that looks stunning, the whole color theme white and golden color, that's imaginative, and the bedroom look futuristic and more stunning. This is the view of the bedroom, that's a lot of beautiful, and inside that a washroom that completely exact the color theme looks like a kitchen, looks like a bedroom, and more. At the end, I would like from you like and subscribe my YouTube channel, and never forget to click bell icon, and must suggest which part you liked a lot in the comment box. Thank you.